Are you looking for the convenience of an electronic machine and want to discover all its stitches? The Alfa Next 200 has 404 stitches, 10 utility stitches, 9 types of one-step automatic buttonholes, 2 elastic stitches, alpha inlay stitch, overlock stitch, 79 decorative stitches, alpha inlay stitch, 98 decorative stitches, block style alphabet and cursive style alphabet. The machine has the following set of features: needle up, down position, automatic stop button, reverse button, start, stop button, and speed control. It also includes an LCD digital screen, memory button that stores up to 20 patterns and letters, twin needle setting, stitch elongation, and mirror function. The Alfa Next 200 has a horizontal shuttle, 7 rows of feed dogs, drop feed dogs ideal for free motion quilting, dual presser foot height for thick fabrics, automatic threader, free arm for tubular garments, and LED light. Finally, the machine includes an extension table and a complete set of accessories. Make the most out of your Next 200.